Egypt's top prosecutor Hisham Barakat killed in Cairo bomb attack. Egypt's state prosecutor was killed in a car bomb attack while travelling through eastern Cairo on Monday. Hisham Barakat was travelling in a two-car convoy through the suburb of Heliopolis when it was hit by a bomb planted in a car parked at the roadside. The explosion ripped through the two-car convoy and incinerated several vehicles nearby, while injuring several bystanders. Reports said Barakat suffered shrapnel wounds to the shoulder, chest and liver and died following emergency surgery. Islamist militants have been targeting senior officials in a violent campaign against Egypt's military-backed government for 2 years, since the toppling of the democratically elected Muslim Brotherhood government of Mohamed Morsi.
Leave an insightful comment on TomoNews.net and you could win up to $500 every month.